There are two ways to make the snout, a detailed one and a simple one. You already know how to make the simple snout. Here is how to prepare the detailed version. Start with a slip knot and chain 4. Make 3 single crochets into the chain. Turn your work, add the knot. Crochet 3 more single crochets into the other side of the chain. Cut the yarn, leaving an 8-inch yarn tail for sewing. You will finish the snout in the next video.